Hi beautiful people, today we're going to learn how to set up your Samsung S20, S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra for the first time. First of all, we will press and hold the side key to turn the device on. Select your language from the drop-down menu and then tap Start. Agree to the terms and then tap Next. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to and then tap Enter your password if needed. After you are connected to a network, tap Next. You can transfer data between devices to make changing your phone easier. For this example, tap Don't Copy. Enter your Google account information and then tap Next. Select which Google services you would like to activate and then tap Next. You can set up a password to protect your phone's data. Just select a type of password and then follow the instruction on screen. For this example, tap Skip. Select additional apps you would like to download once setup is complete and then tap OK. Enter the email and password for your Samsung account and then tap the arrow. Review the terms and then tap Agree. Tap Finish and your setup is complete. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know if you like this video in the comments. Thank you!